Airmeet has a bunch of amazing features.
This is something I love about Airmeet. Just the sheer amount of flexibility that we have with virtual events is great.
Because it tries to replicate that in-person experience as best you can online. It's a little more intimate.
We do use Airmeet as our main virtual event hosting platform. I am a huge fan of an Airmeet.
Airmeet kind of has a whole bunch of different capabilities that some other, day-to-day conference call platforms might not have.
A really great job with that as far as making the audience feel like they're part of it, with the engagement tools that they've got.
Is the platform able to provide capability relations extremely important, because that really does fasten up a lot of process, automates a lot of stuff, makes the entire data collection, insights, analytics post even so much easier.
If I can just duplicate an event really quickly, like have all of my inputs already in there, we can actually see who goes back and does the event replay as well. That's really critical to our business.
We held our first large-scale leadership conference, and it was the very first time that event was virtual. Fortunately, within Airmeet, there is a bit of a gamification element. They have the engagement, analytics reporting, and we're able to go in there. Using those analytics definitely helps us, with decision making for future events.
We have the lounge feature, which has a bunch of tables, and everyone can go to the lounge, go to a table, and share, and reflect, and think, and it's lovely.
Tailored message to their title, tailored message to their questions in the webinar, perhaps. We got more replies, we got more requests, we even got demos, and we also closed some deals because of this. So it really helped us.
I believe our event from registrants to attendees was 85%. And that is right, 85%, which is really amazing.